Hi, my name is Surabi. My son, Soham Nama, who's a fourth grader now, took the AI Club classes. We accidentally stumbled upon it. We were looking online, and I found these courses last summer. It was all online, so I thought, okay, that's something that'll be nice for him. I didn't really know what to expect, or didn't have specific expectations. But to my surprise, we were pleased. We were pleasantly surprised by how many concepts my son was introduced to at such an young age, without much of a programming ability. Even though conceptually he can understand, he was introduced to AI, Python, how it works with AI. And I think it really triggered more interest in him in this area, in this field of programming and AI. It is the future we all have to brace ourselves for, and it's coming, and introducing that to children, and in a holistic way, not just what the technology has to do, but the ethical dilemma or considerations that goes with it. It was all introduced very well in the class, so I'm very happy about it.